everybody. There's a touch of spring in the air today. The sun is shining, there's blue skies, and now is the time to freshen up your benches. We have gorgeous 1 litre alpines, not, compact plants, bulbs, some perennials mixed in, and grasses. And this year we've extended the range. It makes a really good multi-buy offer. Most places for $4.99, 3 for $12. So it's a high volume line that sells really well in the garden centre at this time of the year. So have a look at the list, because we've trebled production this year. As you can see behind me here, the bulbs are in flower. Jet fire is really nice, and we've lovely tulips coming along. We've made up some sample trolleys if you're going out and about, if you're going overseas, or you're going to any other plant fairs in the next week or so. These are sample trolleys here in the nursery that you can have a look at. Makes it easier for you to order. You can see our selection of Hebes. We really like Joan Mac, Black Beauty, and Little Red Rum, the vibrant purple foliage ones this time of the year. Contrast with Elliptica variegata and Lady Anna, looks really nice on the bench. And then also keep in mind that we have a lovely crop of wallflowers this year. They're really nice and bushy. As you can see here, lots of buds. We have a lot of these, and they're at a really good price point. So have a look at the list. And we've a really nice crop of Vinca Minor Illumination. And we had a group visiting yesterday, and they were saying how nice an alternative it is to ivy, especially for trailing plants, for front door containers. Just nice and bright, nice and lively. And then behind me are Helleborus, absolutely gorgeous. Love Anna's Red, love the strong stems, and also Penny's Pink. Lots more Hebes here, and finally onto our lavenders. So we have both English and French, as you know, and this time of the year English probably sells better for you. In a covered space it doesn't really matter, but there's a good selection on the list. So we have so much colour. Come and see us. If you can't see us, have a look at the YouTube video, have a look at our Looking Good list. If you want us to come and visit you, send us an email.